Hey, this is Babakar from World Tripco. Hey, there are some top 7 places must visit in Greece. Before getting into the video, just check out our website if you're planning for a trip, and the link is given below in description. First in the list is Acropolis of Athens. The Acropolis of Athens is an ancient fortress located on a rocky outcrop above the city of Athens. It contains the remains of several ancient buildings of great architectural and historic significance. The Acropolis is like its home to kings, a fortress, a mythical home of the gods, a religious center, and a tourist attraction. The best time to visit is from morning 8 to night 8. Archaeological site of Mykenae. The archaeological sites of Mykenae are the imposing ruins of the two greatest cities of the Mykenaean civilization, renowned for its technical and artistic achievements. The impressive walls, built of stones even larger than those of Mykenae, are up to 8 meter thick and 13 meter height. The best month to visit this place is August. Corinth Canal. It is a waterway that crosses the narrow isthmus of Corinth to link the Gulf of Corinth to the surrounding Gulf. It is an important navigational route which once allowed ships to enter the Aegean Sea. Dug through the isthmus at sea level, the canal is 6.4 kilometers long with a width of 25 meters. Delos. This island was also a major commercial and trading center in the 1st and 2nd centuries. It is a Greek island in the Cyclades archipelago, which was both an influential political force and an important religious center in the Archaic and Classical periods. The island of Delos is a small rock lost in the middle of the charismatic Mediterranean Sea. The first inhabitants of the island would have landed in 3000 BC. Peloponnese. It is an island located close to the southwestern corner of the Mediterranean island, of which it is administratively a part in the regional unit of Chania. It is known for its pink sand beaches created by tidal and wave-induced deposits of pigmented microorganisms living in a symbiotic relationship with native seaweed. It is fine to walk through the shallow water. The island is a protected nature reserve. Meteora. The Meteora is a rock formation in central Greece hosting one of the largest built complexes of Eastern Orthodox monasteries. The 6 monasteries are built on immense natural pillars and hill-like rounded boulders that dominate the local area. The best month to visit is from September to May. Syntagma Square. Syntagma Square is the central square of Athens and is named after the constitution that Otto, the first king of Greece, It is the most important square of modern Athens from both a historical and social point of view, at the heart of commercial activity and Greek politics. The name Syntagma alone refers to the neighborhood surrounding the square. September to April is the best month to visit. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to World Trip Co for more videos. Keep watching World Trip Co and keep traveling.